it's Risa here. How you doing? I hope you're doing great. I hope your journey's going well for you. Remember that meal planning, prepping, grocery shopping is key to your journey and your success. I like making my own foods because you can keep track of what you're putting in it, the sugar, the fat, the protein, the sodium. Make sure you check for sodium levels, guys, in your products and your nutritional value to make sure that it is low fat, low sugar, high protein you want, and low sodium. All right, that's my tip. So what are we making today? We're going to make pancakes. I've already heated my skillet up on a low medium heat. And I'm going to tell you all the ingredients that you're going to need for this recipe. So what are we making? We're making a low-fat, high-protein blueberry cheesecake pancake. Sounds delicious, doesn't it? And it will be. It'll be absolutely amazing. So get your pens out, your paper, or you can take a screenshot because you know that I write all my recipes under each video. So I've already taken 2 extra large eggs and I have a teaspoon of the Jello cheesecake sugar-free powder, just 1 teaspoon that I've added already. And I've taken a banana and I just like to use my potato masher, just a nice ripe banana is good, medium to large, and you mash it. A half a cup of blueberries, a tablespoon of the light cream cheese. I found the great value. 1 tablespoon is 1 Smart Point from Walmart. And I'm going to use some unsweetened vanilla almond milk. You can use milk, whatever milk, for a 1/4 cup. A splash of lemon, a splash of vanilla. And here I have some organic red bran wheat. I'm using this. I bought this at John Vince Foods, but it's not necessary if you don't want to use it. You could even use a little bit of oatmeal, but for a 1/4 cup, I thought it would add some good nutrition. So you can do it, you can add it or not. It's optional and it's 0 Smart Points. I know, fantastic. So we're just gonna whisk the egg and the cheesecake together. And I'm gonna add my delicious banana, which is gonna make it nice and sweet. So you don't need to add anything else, which is fantastic. You don't need any extra sweeteners to it because the banana is amazing. And we're just going to mix that in. I'm going to add my milk. And every time I add something, I usually mix it. I'm going to put a splash of lemon, about a teaspoon or so. I just love vanilla. I mean, I love vanilla because I'm going to be putting it in next, but I love lemon. And a splash of vanilla, maybe about a teaspoon or so is enough. And of course, I'm going to add the wheat bran. That's going to thicken it up a little bit. Okay. And I've just decided that I'm going to also add some cinnamon, about a teaspoon or so. Just some nice cinnamon will give it some nice flavor. I just buy the Kirkland. You can buy any kind, of course, and that'll be good. Just mix all this up. Really easy so far, right? And I'm going to add the cream cheese after. I'm going to add some blueberries now, and I like to just put some on top as well. Just like so. I like things that are easy, fast, delicious, and of course, low points. So now we're just going to add it to our skillet. And I'm just turning it up to a medium heat now. It's nice and hot. And I'm just going to pour in each one. Just like that. Make sure that it's up a little bit. I turned it down while I was doing the video. And I'm just going to make sure that I get all this goodness out of my bowl. Use a spatula, because that helps for the nice big one that I'm making here. And now I'm going to add a few more blueberries on top. Just like that. Doesn't it look pretty? And I'm going to now add about a teaspoon or less than a teaspoon or so of my cream cheese, just like a dollop that's going to sit on the pancake, but it's going to melt in. And if you want to use more cream cheese, you can. I'm just putting it in because I'm going to be eating it myself, nobody else. And it's very tasty. So I'm going to let it cook, and usually about 5 or 6 minutes. I wouldn't try turning it over till you see that it's formed and that it's getting solid. Okay, and I will be back to show you the results. And here they are, my delicious pancakes. Why do I know they're delicious? Because I've had them before. And I threw in some extra blueberries to heat up that I thought would be super delicious to add on top. So I'm just going to put it on my plate. I like them nice and well done. And just scooping it up. Use your spatula. And then I'm just going to top it off. Get the extra pancake. I don't want to rip myself off, of course. So I'm just adding some nice hot blueberries on top, which I think will just add extra flavor and goodness. And then, of course, a dollop of some Cool Whip. So I hope you love this recipe for 1 Smart Points. Enjoy. Please subscribe and tell everyone on a health journey. Bye for now.